I'm Megan Hadley, the Respiratory Sales Specialist with Fisher & Paykel Healthcare. Today I'm going to share with you how to assemble a basic AIRVO setup. First, I'll show you what you need. To start, you'll need the hospital pole stand and wheels. Next, you'll need the AIRVO pole mounting tray, then the AIRVO, then the AIRVO accessories basket, and you'll have one of three options for the flow meter. There's a dual flow meter, a single 0 to 30 flow meter, or a single 0 to 70 flow meter. And last but not least, you need the oxygen hose. So to get started, you're going to come over here, unscrew the bolt that's in the bottom of the pole stand, come over to your wheels, and you want to make sure you grab the wheel that has the larger hole here. That's going to go on the bottom. And come back, grab this one here, put that on top. Go ahead and get your bolt, and then simply screw it back into the pole. There is an Allen wrench that's included in the packaging, or you can also use one that you have on hand to make sure everything's nice and tight. All right, flip it over. You'll grab the AIRVO pole mounting tray and place it on the bracket here. Make sure you reach under and tighten the bolt on there like that. Then you're going to grab the AIRVO. You want to make sure that you have the two holes here lined up with the two pegs that are on the AIRVO tray. Make sure you peel off the sticker tops of the Velcro pieces, and then everything just slides on and locks into place. As far as the AIRVO accessories basket, you're just going to lock in the sides on either end. And then come around and place that on the other side of the bracket. We'll wheel down here, grab your flow meter, and simply screw the manifold about 2 inches up from the handle. And then your oxygen hose. It's important to note it should go on this side. You do not want to hook it directly to the flow meters. And then this just screws on like this. As far as the AIRVO cord, you're going to get that out of the AIRVO packaging. Everything comes with it, along with the oxygen inlet tubing as well. If you have any specific questions, please reach out to your local respiratory sales specialist, and thanks so much for listening.